Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to explain everything for you on how to create this online banking website. Yes, how to create this online banking website. So every resource you need to create this online banking website are all in the description of this video. The web hosting I'm using is in the description of this video. The domain name, how to get domain name, everything, they are all in the description of this video. So whatever link you need, just click on the description of this video and then you'll be taken to the place where you buy your domain name and your hosting, and then you continue from this part. So now the first thing you want to do once you get your domain name and your web hosting is to log into your cPanel. I already have a domain name and a web hosting for this process, so I don't need to buy anyone. I'm just going to log into my cPanel, which we have here. So after logging into your cPanel, you want to upload your file, which is the script you purchase for this process. You want to upload your file. So now I'm going to upload the file, which is my banking file. Yes, my banking file. So once you come here, you click on select file. So you click on select file. So I'm going to pause this video and upload the file because I have a lot of file on my system. I don't want to get out. So I'm going to pause this. So now you have the file uploading, online banking file. So I'm going to install it, then set it up for you so you can create your own online banking website as a developer or as the beginner who want to learn how to create a banking website. So now I'm going to upload the script, and so let's allow the script upload. Once it gets to 100, continue the process. Okay, now we have the file installed completely or uploaded completely. As you can see, it's changed from green to blue. We have blue right now. What you want to do is to click on go back home. Then you click on go back home. It will take you back to where your file is, and then you can extract the file and continue building your website. Okay, as you can see, this is the file. So I'm going to extract the file. Click on extract. Yes, I want to extract it on this part. So now we have the file installed. I'm going to click on close. As you can see, this is the file. This is the file we are installing. So the next thing is to download your database. Yes, to download your database. So our database is inside here. Click on it. So here is the SQL file. Just come here, click download, and then you have it downloaded on your laptop. So now go back. So let's go to my account. So on my account, you look for scripts, and on scripts you look for connect.php. So this is the connect.php page. I'm going to click on it. Let me remove this. So I'm going to click on edit. So we have that. So now this is where we connect the database to the main front end of the, to the main site. Connecting your MySQL to the database. So we'll come here. Okay, this is the same file. Okay, this is it. I was creating the database, so just go to your database wizard. You search for database wizard here. Database wizard. You click on it, and it will bring you to this page. So I'm going to call this demo. Now on demo, I'm going to put a password. So this is my password. I'm gonna wait. Okay. The same password to ensure that they match. Okay, it seems as if they did not match, so let me put the password again. So now this once that is done, you click on create user. So once you click on create users, it's going to create the user for you. Now it's that user that you're going to connect to the front to the PHP or the connect.php page, which is going to enable you be able to access the site. So I'm going to click on this, all privilege, make changes, copy the database username. So as you can see, they are both the same, the username and the user and the database, they are both the same. So we'll go to the connect.php. On the first part, you put this here. On the second part, you put your password. So I already have my password, so I'm going to put a hash here. Now on the third part, I put my database name. Ctrl V. I'm going to click on save change, so I have this already saved. So now we have connected the database to our file. What we now have to do is to go to the PHP my admin area. There we can be able to upload the MySQL database which we downloaded from the file. So I hope you're following, guys. So now you come here to upload the database you downloaded. Okay, now you have it. Here you have it. So this is it. Now the one we downloaded, the one we created just now is this big witch demo. So we're going to click on import. Now once you click on import, you're going to click on choose file. Remember we just downloaded it, so I'm going to click on download. This is it. Open it and then click on import. So you give it some time to import. Depending on your server, some are fast, some are slow. So you just give it some time to import completely. And once it imports, you can start your editing from there. Now we have the file installed. As you can see, we have everything installed here. So what you have to do next is to go to your website. So this is my website URL. I'm going to copy it. Go to, okay, this is my website. Now you can put this file with any backend of your choice. You can use any backend of your choice to edit this. So this is just the with any front end. This is my website. As you can see, this is our website. This is how the website look. So you can link it to your front end and use to create any website of your choice. So you're going to enter your code 275281, verify code, verification successful. So this is how the account will look like. This is everything. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the user data part. That's the other part is the admin. So this is the admin. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.